welcome to our channel. Today we learning match the numbers with fruits: pink color, green color, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, blue color, purple color. Let's match the fruits with numbers. 1, 2. 2 strawberry, 2 strawberry. Matching 2 strawberry, 2 strawberry. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Black color 4. Match the number with fruits. 4 watermelon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blue color 5. Blue color 5. Match the number with fruits. 5 apple. Green color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 banana. 6 banana. Match the number with fruits. 2 strawberry. 4 watermelon. 5 apple. 6 bananas. Thank you. Letters with alphabets: purple color, red color, black color, green color, blue color. Let's match the letters with pictures. Blue color A. Blue color A. Match A for apple. Match the fruits. A for apple. Next words B. Green color B. Match the fruits. B for banana. B for banana. Next words C. Black color C. Match the picture. C for cow. C for cow. Next D. Purple color D. Match the picture. D for dog. D for dog. Next letter E. Red color E. Match the picture. E for egg. E for egg. A for apple. B for banana. C for cow. D for dog. E for egg. Like and subscribe.